So, perfect. Welcome also from my side. My name is Elisabeth Leitner. I'm from GRÜNSTATTGRAU and I'm here today to present the GRÜNSTATTGRAU and RENOWAVE challenge called Rebuild, Plug and Play Renovation for a Circular Future. So what's our situation? We want to further develop the renovation process of existing buildings. We want to use environmentally sustainable plug and play solutions with minimal resources, recyclable materials, as well as include green solutions. So the main challenge here is to include actually green solutions into a scalable, prefabricated renovation system. Why are we going to do that? This is mainly because buildings in the EU already are accounted for 40% of the final energy consumption, as well as 36% of the energy-related greenhouse gas emissions. So we see here quite a huge potential for improvement and also for renovation. In the renovation wave strategy, as part of the European Green Deal, there's an aim for 2030 to reduce at least 55% of the emissions by renovating 35 million inefficient buildings until then. So another view to look at it, we currently have, or in the last 100 years, we built quite a lot of buildings, from which not all of them are possible to include in the serial renovation process. However, those are still quite a lot of buildings, and with a usage of about 80 years, there's going to be a need for renovation soon. And we are just now at the beginning of this, so we are going to need a solution for the future. And that's why it comes to serial or industrialized renovation approach, which are prefabricated modules that are produced off-site, can also include energy systems already in the construction or in the modules itself, to then have a fast on-site assembly and have a minimal disturbance for the residents who most of the time still live inside those buildings. So how could this now look like? I've brought you an example from the Project Infinite, which is an European Union Horizon 2020 funded project with 20 partners, and its aim was to create 5 industrialized kits and then also install them in 3 real demo buildings, which has already been done now, and also many other different kind of solutions or business models were also created. So how do they look like, those industrialized kits? All of them are combined with a prefabricated timber frame construction and then combined with, for example, claddings, like a green solution, a building integrated photovoltaic system, or a building integrated solar thermal system, or on the other hand, integrated elements into the modules itself, like an energy and fresh air distribution system and smart glazings. So before that, we also did some mock-ups to test them in real-life conditions. Here we already see a finished product or a prefabricated module, and then also some installation steps. For the green part, we did install it all totally on site to better understand the process of combining a prefabricated module with a greening solution. So this case, we have the Terrabio Urbana system from Spain, and this is the final product in this case. So what are we looking for? We are looking for tangible and reusable results of plug-and-play solutions that could be presented in form of a concept, in form of a design, or with an animated presentation. And it should be recyclable, it should be resource efficient, and it should integrate greenery. So let's create a solution and show us the steps we need to take to bring the solution to the market or put it into practice. If you're interested, let's get in touch later on. Thank you.